Something tells me that my voice sounds like Peter's Sam. I'm going to show you some clips if you think that I sound like Peter's Sam.
And she left all this fruit and veg.
Mr. Percival has approved it, Rheneas. Can you take these cars over to Owen, please, Millie?
We thought you were our friend. Hello, Luke. You're in a hurry. Oh, help.
Fancy bringing Gordon's coaches up the quarry. The stones would have been very comfortable.
A little water down your funnel will soon clear